Hello, Park Hyatt. We are back with another episode of Park Hyatt at Home. I am Chef Matt, and this is my sous chef, Zoe Rose. And we are coming to you live from New Orleans.
When we do this, I want my lollipop. When we do it.
Today we are going to make beignets, the New Orleans classic. Who dat?
Who dat?
All right, so let's get cooking. Zoe, are you ready to cook? In this bowl, we have 1/3 cup of sugar and 1 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. All right, and to that, we're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of warm water. Our yeast is woken back up. It's floating on the top of our water here, and we are gonna whisk in 1/2 cup of room temperature whole milk, 1 room temperature egg beaten, 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. You got your Chinese New Year book. Maybe right now is not the right time. So this is 18 ounces of flour by weight, which is okay. Hold on. Can you place your lunch order after we're done filming the video? 18 ounces of flour. That's 510 grams or 3.5 cups. Nope, flour. After we've incorporated half of our flour, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of melted and cooled vegetable shortening. We're going to add the remainder of our flour, stir it until it's a shaggy dough, and then we will switch to kneading it with our hands until we get a smooth dough, and then we'll put it back in the bowl, cover it, and let it rise for 2 hours at room temperature.
And Jasmine and Mulan and Belle and Pocahontas.
Okay, but what does that have to do with New Orleans?
Jasmine. Well, I like seeing all the princesses from New Orleans.
Okay, here we are. It is showtime. This is definitely a parent-only activity. We have our oil heated to 370 degrees. Just a couple at a time. All right, and the first thing we're gonna do, we need to baste them. Okay, once they're brown on the first side, we'll give them a flip. We'll let them cook until they're evenly golden brown on both sides. That's about 3 to 4 minutes. And as your beignets are finished, we want to let them drain on a wire rack so they don't get soggy in a nice warm place while we cook the rest of our beignets, and then it'll be time to eat.
Now we gotta put on the sugar.
All right, the best part of the beignets, hold on, we'll do it together.
No, I want to do it.
At Cafe du Monde.
Okay,
you're gonna do it. And we're gonna put a lot of powdered sugar, and we're gonna tap this against our hand. All right, you go. No, don't dump it. Don't dump it. Don't dump. No. The best part of any beignet is the powdered sugar. Zoe, take a bite. Here you go. It's gonna be a little hot. Ready? Go.
Hot.
Take a bite.
Too hot.
Anyway, hope you enjoy. Stay well. Until next week, I'm Chef Matt. This is Chef Zoe. We're at Park Hyatt at Home. Cheers. Are you just eating sugar?